Hello students, now let us see how the ammonia is prepared. Preparation of ammonia. So ammonia is prepared by different methods. So let us see one by one. So first method is by hydrolysis of urea. The second one is heating ammonium salt with base. Okay, so that is your laboratory preparation. And the third one is heating metal nitrides with water. Ammonia can be synthesized. And the fourth one is your industrial preparation or the commercial preparation, that is by Haber process. Fine. Now in this video let us study one by one how the ammonia is synthesized by each method. Now let us see how ammonia is prepared by using urea. So urea undergo hydrolysis to produce ammonia. So well we know the formula for urea is NH2CONH2. So this is the molecular formula for urea. Yes. So this urea undergo hydrolysis to give the product. So we'll see what product it is. So hydrolysis means lysis or splitting with the help of water. Okay, so the bond which is present in this urea, one bond, yes, so this is one bond, so this one bond undergo lysis, similarly this another bond undergo lysis, and one hydrogen present in water, one H, and one oxygen combines over here, and one hydrogen combines over here. So likewise, water undergo lysis or splitting of the urea. Okay, so now we get two products here. One NH2 and this H combined to get ammonia, and here all NH2 with hydrogen gives ammonia. So likewise 2 ammonia you get. Okay, then COO. S, so that means carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide gas is also. Okay, so that is your hydrolysis of urea. Okay, second method of preparation of ammonia is by heating ammonium salt with the base. Okay, so the ammonium salt what we take here is ammonium chloride, NH4Cl. So this ammonium chloride, it is heated with the base. So we will take the common base, yes, that is sodium hydroxide. So NH4Cl is ammonium chloride. Okay, ammonium chloride is reacting with sodium hydroxide. So we are heating. So we are heating ammonium chloride with sodium hydroxide. So what happens? You get chlorine and sodium combined together and form NaCl. NaCl plus NH4. From this NH4, ammonia is obtained. So that is NH3. Okay, and here one hydrogen is there. This one hydrogen and combined with this OH and form water. Yes, so this is the reaction, or that is heating ammonium chloride with the sodium hydroxide to give sodium chloride. Along with the sodium chloride you get ammonia and water. Okay, so in your textbook we are taking the ionic form. Okay, so here in the case of ammonium chloride we are taking the cation NH4 plus. Okay, so NH4 plus you take plus, and here the anion, that is OH minus. So OH minus on heating give rise to ammonia, that is NH3 plus one hydrogen and OH combined together to form water. Okay. Now this ammonium chloride as NH4Cl, it can also combine with the basic oxide like calcium oxide. So when it combines with calcium oxide on heating, again ammonia can be synthesized, yes, and you get calcium chloride, CaCl2, and then you get ammonia, calcium chloride and water. Now let us see the third method of preparation of ammonia, that is by heating metal nitrides with water. So let us take the example of magnesium nitride. Metal nitride example is magnesium nitride. So that is Mg thrice N2. So this is magnesium nitride. Magnesium nitride is heated with water. Yes, to gain magnesium hydroxide. Yes, so along with magnesium hydroxide, you get ammonia. So this is the reaction of heating metal nitride, that is magnesium nitride, with water. So magnesium nitride, the formula is Mg3N2. So these formulas you have to keep in your mind. So only then it will be very easy for you to write the reactions and balancing. Okay. So please make it a point that you will study all these formulas thoroughly. Fine. Now let us see here. Magnesium nitride react with water. We are heating it. We are heating it with water to form magnesium hydroxide and ammonia. So now let us balance here. Magnesium, 3 magnesium is here. Whereas there only 1, so just put here 3. Fine. Now here hydrogen, 6 hydrogen atoms are there. 3 2s are 6. Okay. Whereas here and here also 3. So 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 3 9. Okay. So I just put here 6. Okay. So oxygen atom, 3 oxygen atom and here 6 oxygen atom. So I put here 6, so it becomes 6 oxygen atom. Now the hydrogen will be 6 2s are 12 hydrogen. Whereas here 6 9 hydrogen. Fine. Now let us balance with the nitrogen. Now here 2 nitrogen. So here only 1 nitrogen. So I just put here 2. Okay. Now here 6 hydrogen and here also 6 hydrogen. So it is 12 hydrogen. So likewise here also hydrogen is balanced. Fine. Yes. So magnesium nitride on heating with water gives you magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide. Along with the magnesium hydroxide, you get ammonia. Yes, so that's the preparation of ammonia by heating magnesium nitride with water. Now let us see how ammonia is prepared by Haber process. So Haber process is the industrial preparation. So ammonia is prepared in large scale, used for industries. Okay, so that is done by Haber process. So in Haber process, hydrogen gas and nitrogen gas combine together to form ammonia. So this nitrogen gas and hydrogen gas are taken in the ratio of 1:3. Yes, hydrogen gas and 3 moles of hydrogen gas. It is 1:3 ratio. So the reactance ratio is 1:3. That is 1 mole of nitrogen gas and 3 moles of hydrogen gas to give ammonia. Okay. So here it is 2 nitrogen. Yes, and here it is 6 hydrogen and here 6 hydrogen. So fine. So this reaction is an equilibrium reaction. Yes, so the energy required for the formation of this ammonia, the enthalpy of formation is that H here is equal to minus 46.2 kilojoule per mole. So this much amount of energy is required for the synthesis of ammonia from nitrogen gas and hydrogen gas. Fine. Now the reactant nitrogen gas, how is it obtained? So this is obtained by the fractional distillation. So this we have already seen, fractional distillation. Distillation of liquid air. Yes. Whereas hydrogen gas is obtained from water gas. together and they form ammonia. Fine. So the particular optimum temperature is maintained here. So at 700 Kelvin. 700 Kelvin optimum temperature is maintained and the pressure, there is a low temperature, is maintained here and a high pressure of 200 atmospheric pressure is also maintained here, and this reaction takes place with the help of a catalyst. Fine. So what type of catalyst you are using here? So catalyst is iron, Fe. Iron is the catalyst used. So you know what is catalyst? So catalyst is a substance which increase the rate of the reaction. Okay, so that is the catalyst. So iron is used as the catalyst. So along with this catalyst, even other substances are also used like that is catalytic promoters are also used like K2O, potassium oxide, and Al2O3. Yes, so these are also used along with this catalyst in order to K2O is potassium oxide and Al2O3 is aluminum oxide. So they are also used along with the catalyst. So once this is used here, the reaction attains equilibrium faster. Okay. So once the reaction attains equilibrium faster, more amount of ammonia can be obtained by this reaction. Okay. So in order to attain the reaction, in order to attain the equilibrium at the faster rate, yes, so this potassium oxide and aluminum oxide also used along with the catalyst. Fine. So like this ammonia is synthesized in the large scale or the industrial production. Fine. So nitrogen and hydrogen, so they are the reactants combined in 1:3 ratio at an optimum temperature of 700 Kelvin and a high pressure of 200 atmosphere in the presence of the catalyst iron, and along with the catalyst even potassium oxide and aluminum oxide is also used in order to attain the equilibrium faster. Yes, so with the help of all these maintaining all this temperature and this catalyst, ammonia is obtained. Fine. So that's it about the industrial preparation of ammonia. That's the Haber process. So hope you understood the preparation of nitrogen.